Brisbane, Australia, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis offering a unique combination of natural beauty and urban charm. Brisbane, located on the east coast of Australia, is the capital of Queensland and is known for its stunning scenery, rich culture and thriving tourism industry. The city of Brisbane boasts a picturesque location with the Brisbane River flowing through the centre. The river serves as a hub for many recreational activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding and river cruises. Along the banks of the river you will find beautiful parks and gardens where you can relax or have a picnic. Tourism in the city of Brisbane is booming with many attractions to explore. Travellers will be able to immerse themselves in a vibrant cultural and artistic scene by visiting museums, galleries and theatres. The South Bank area offers a variety of entertainment options, including world-class restaurants, cafes, boutiques and even a man-made beach. For nature lovers, Brisbane offers ample recreational opportunities. Just a short drive from the city centre is the stunning Moreton Bay region, with its pristine beaches and diverse marine life. Additionally, nearby national parks offer hiking trails with breathtaking views of lush rainforests and cascading waterfalls. In conclusion, Brisbane truly captures the essence of Australia with its unique combination of natural beauty, cultural diversity and exciting attractions. Its stunning landscape, warm climate and welcoming atmosphere make it an ideal destination for tourists.